Hello everyone, you have come to the most straightforward video where I will show how to install APK files on Windows device. As you can see, I am using Play Store, VLC or any other application. I can install it from here. So let us see how we can do that. If you are using Windows 10 or 11, doesn't matter, just open your favorite browser. I will open Google Chrome. So over here, you have to search WSA builds and go to the master safe/WSA builds. As you know, WSA is now not available in the Microsoft Store. So scroll down and download from here. If you are using Windows 10, then download from this latest stable builds, and if you are using Windows 11 like me, then download from this link. Okay, so I will click on this x64 link, not the ARM. Okay, so click on this 64 link and then scroll down. If you want to know your processor is x64 based or ARM based, then go to the file explorer and then go to this PC, right click on the blank space and now click on properties. Now you can see I am using 64-bit operating system on x64 based processor. So let's go to the link and download from the top link because this is the latest version. As you can see, now the size of the file is 638 MB only. So start download. While it gets downloaded, you have to do another thing. Click on this plus button and open a new tab and search 7zip. Go to the official website of 7zip and download the exe file from here. Then click on start download. Open the exe file and then double click on it and it will get installed. Okay, once this is installed successfully, now we have to wait for the WSA download to get completed. Once the download is complete, open the folder and then right click on it, go to show more options, then 7zip and then extract to that folder. Okay, so once the extraction is complete, now we have to do another thing. Search control panel in the search bar, open control panel, then view by category, and now click on this green programs button, then turn Windows features on or off. Then please turn on virtual machine platform. Here it is. So turn on virtual machine platform and Windows hypervisor platform. You can see Windows PowerShell is already turned on. So you have to turn on Windows Subsystem for Linux. These 4 items should be turned on one by one. So okay, now click on OK. Sorry, I was disconnected. Anyway, it will now search for required files and then apply changes. Once it is done, you have to restart your computer. This is very necessary. If you don't restart, then nothing will work. So restart your computer. Once the restart is complete and you are back to the screen, go to the folder again where you have just extracted the files. So let me navigate to the folder. Okay, this is the folder. Inside the folder, you will find first go to the view section and then go to show and please check this file name extension button. Okay, once this is checked, now you can see there are 2 files, install.ps1. So right click on install.ps1 and then click on run with PowerShell. If you click on this, then a PowerShell window will appear. If you face any issue with here, then you have to do the second thing. You can go to the run.bat file. This is Windows batch file. So right click on it and then click on run as administrator. You can do any of these 2 methods. So once you run this, now you can see a PowerShell window has been appeared in front of you. So you can now click on continue. Once you click on continue, the Windows Subsystem for Android will get installed in your computer. So let us wait. Give the necessary permissions. Okay, so once this gets completely installed, now there are 2 other tabs. Click on yes and give the permission. Then for these 2 tabs, just click on continue and close the window. Okay, so now close everything. You can see Windows Subsystem for Android is here. If you mistakenly close this, no problem. You can search it in the search bar, Windows Subsystem for Android, and then open it from there. Okay, now go to the advanced settings and turn on developer mode. Okay, it will ask for a permission. Let us go to the apps. Give the permission. Okay, now you can open the Play Store from here. So let me quickly sign in. Once you give all the information and all the login details, then you can sign in the Google Play Store. And now you can see you can install any apps from here, like if I search Adobe Scan and then install, you can see it's getting installed. So I will not install it. Let us click on cancel and go back, close all the windows. Now if you search Play Store in the search bar, you can see Play Store appears in front of you. You can pin it to the taskbar for quick access. You can see, and now Play Store appears in the taskbar. You can open it from here also. So let me install this Jet Archiver. This is a very important file manager, my favorite file manager, very lightweight. You can see only 5 MB size. So let me quickly install it. Once it is installed, click on open and you can access the file manager. You can see it wants permission as it wants in the mobile devices or tabs or Android devices. So you can see everything is similar. This is nice, isn't it? You can now create a shortcut also. Just search Jet Archiver in the search bar. You can see the app. You can right click and uninstall from here also, or you can create a shortcut. Go to open file location and then you can see this is the Jet Archiver. Right click on it, go to show more option and then create shortcut. You can now drag and drop this shortcut in the desktop. So you can now access the Jet Archiver or any other app from the desktop also. Now if you want to install any APK file, then what you can do? Go to the browser. Now type WSA pacman here and go to the first link, lasimula/WSA pacman. So click on this link. At the right panel, click on this WSA pacman version 1.5.0. This is the latest version. So click on this and now scroll down and install the installer.exe file. And the size is 35 MB, not the portable zip version. You have to install the installer.exe version. Okay, so once you install it, now open folder and you need to do nothing, just double click on this installer.exe and then give the permission next and install. Within few seconds it will get installed and then click on finish. Now your job is done. You have to search WSA pacman in the search bar. You have to set up for the first time. So open WSA pacman. Now it will ask for ADB debugging. So allow for ADB debugging. Then wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Then it will get connected successfully. So you have to do the step for the first time only. Now let us install an application. Let us download the APK file for VLC media player. So let's wait until it gets downloaded. Okay, so once it is downloaded, you can go to that folder. If you download or get the APK file from anywhere, you just need to double click on it and it will ask for install. So click on install and wait for a few seconds. This is really nice. You just need to import the APK file from anywhere and just double click on it and then install. You can create a desktop shortcut and then open app and you can see VLC is here. Everything is similar as we see in the Android device. So you can open the app from here also and uninstall it from here also. So now you can see VLC media player is not available. So you can go to Play Store and install the VLC media player from here also. So that was the complete video. If you think that this video is working for you and you have loved this video, then please give a thumbs up and let me know if there is any issue in the comment box. It took almost 2 to 3 hours to make the complete video. So if you think subscribing the channel will help me, then you can do that. I will not force you for it. So thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.